Hey guys, welcome back to Makeup and Hustle. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Vidhi and today we are creating this look right here using all the products that I bought before I left for India, but I didn't have the time to sit down and film. So today that is exactly what we're doing. I have been itching to try all of these things and I'm so glad that I finally got around to it because you guys, these are gems. Oh my gosh, it's mostly affordable makeup. It's mostly drugstore, except for the eyeshadow palette, which is a little bit of a high-end one because I didn't have an affordable one, a new one to try out. So if you guys are interested and keen to know what I've used, stay tuned. But if you guys like watching such affordable drugstore makeup videos, please consider subscribing because I do them on a regular basis. There's so much new stuff all around. Don't forget to subscribe and please give this one a thumbs up. But without further rambling, without further ado, let's get on into trying out this new makeup. I'm so excited for you to watch. Okay, so I've got my earrings on today. I haven't forgotten. I've also got my ring on today, so we're good. I've pushed my hair back. We're going to dive straight in. So not a wear test or anything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a primer first, and for that I'm using my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Just using my fingers to apply this as usual. Okay, and then for foundation today we have the Essence Pretty Natural Hydrating Foundation. Now this one I believe is one of Taylor Wynn's favorite. I really like her. I follow her a lot. When I first started watching her, my skin was a little bit on the oilier side and not so dry. But then over time, like my skin's definitely changed a little bit and now it's a lot more dry compared to what it has been in the past. But because we're in summer, it's a little bit on the oilier side, especially in my T-zone. But for some reason, I still prefer like hydrating foundations and stuff. But I'm excited to try this. I've heard a lot of good things about it, so we're gonna see. This is in the shade 170 Neutral Cashmere. Oh, I forgot the lights at the back. What? So let's see. I'm gonna take this at the back of my hand. Oh, that's a lot. And it's quite runny as well. Oh, okay. Let's just get to applying. I'm gonna use a brush for this one today. Maybe just a little bit on the darker side. That's fine. It is a little fragranced. I'm just sort of bringing it down my neck because it is definitely a little bit darker than my neck, so it definitely brought it down a little bit, but it doesn't look too bad. This is a really decent coverage for as liquidy as it was. It definitely hovered up quite a bit. I mean, you can still see that breakout, but that's a giant breakout. I actually don't mind it. Other than the shade, it's actually looking pretty good. It's sitting very comfortably. It doesn't look or feel heavy at all. And I really like the application with the brush as well, so that's pretty good. And then for concealer, like I said, I don't have anything from Essence, so I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal 24-hour concealer pomade. This is in the shade Light Medium. And I'm just going to use this underneath my eyes. Just going back in with the foundation brush and then just melting it all. And then for powder to set everything in place, I have the Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder. This is translucent, of course, I believe. Doesn't say anything, but we're gonna set our under eyes first. Brush. And then I'm going to set the rest of the face with this as well. What I was really bummed about when I bought everything was that I couldn't find the mascara, like the most famous mascara from from Essence. I added it into the cart and then like even paid for it and everything, and then they sent an email saying that they were issuing a refund because they didn't have that in stock. So I was a little bummed about that, but it's always out of stock. Like no matter what happens, like even if you order online or go into the store, it is always bloody out of stock. Okay, definitely feel like it's left a little bit of a white cast, but I think once it sort of melts in, like once we apply like the setting spray and everything, it should sort of come back together. Fingers crossed. And then for bronzer, I ended up buying their Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder. This is in 02 Sunny. It's got a little bit of a scent to it. I can't really place what it is. But this is a really nice soft bronzer. Oh, I really like it. I might have got a new favorite. And then for blush, I've got one of my older ones that I absolutely love. This is the Essence Matte Touch Blush in Peach Me Up. Absolutely love this one. Used this for such a long time. There we go. I just love this one so much. And then for highlight, I've got their Essence The Highlighter. This says Luminous Glow on like inside the pan, and it's in the shade Sun Showers. We don't get the what is it called? There's a oh, this is so nice. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. Wow, I love it. The Pure Nude. We don't get that here. But boy, oh boy, this is nice. I am so pleasantly surprised by this makeup. Oh my god, I can't get enough. This is incredible. Wow. Alright, now for eyebrows, I don't know how I feel about this. But I have the Essence Tiny Tip Precise Brow Pen. This is actually like one of those brow pen thingies. So we're gonna give it a go, but I don't know how I feel about this. I think this is the one that you use with the feathered brows or the soap brows. Okay, it's really nice actually. It's really soft and I really like the color. Wow, that looks really good. It didn't take as long as I thought it would. What I will do, I'll just do my other brow real quick and I'll be right back. So the brows are in place. I actually really liked it. It wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. I was quite intimidated by it, but it was actually really easy to use and I really love how natural my eyebrows have turned out. I actually do not mind it. I think I might use this again, but maybe like with the soap brow. I have the Mecca one, so I'll give that a go next time. But for eyeshadow today, I have used everything really affordable, but for the eyeshadow today, I have a little bit of a pricier palette. I have the Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette. Again, I bought this before I left and I've been itching to try it, so I thought we would give that a go in today's video since we're trying everything that we don't have from before. But this is what the palette looks like. I think it is absolutely stunning. I am going to start out by using Hypnotic. I'm going to use that all over my eyelids as well as take it up almost to my brow bone, but not really touching the brow bone. It's just going to be our initial transition shade. It's a really soft shadow and it's blending out really, really easy. I'm hoping that the rest of the palette is also similar to that. Okay, and then I'm going to be taking just a little bit of a smaller brush. And I'm going to go in with Arouse, which is just that shade right there. I'm going to be placing that in the outer corner. Just going to try and deepen it up as much as possible. I feel like once you have one eye down, the other one is just so much easier and faster to do. I'm just going to go in with that first shadow that we used, Hypnotic. And I'm just going to take that just around the edges and just blend that harsh line out. And then I am just going to take a smaller brush and use Arouse, so the second shade that we used, just on the lower lash line. Once I've done the lower lash line is I like to go back in with the setting powder that we used. In this case, we're using the Essence one. And I'm just going to clean up the edges and just also brighten it up a little bit. And then for a nice shimmery shadow, we are going to use, let's use Please Me, which is like a duochrome color. And this is going to be really nice. There we go. So it's got a really nice green shift to it. Just going to use my fingers to apply that. I'm taking it right towards the end. And then we're going to go back in with Arouse. And we're just going to deepen it up slightly and also just blend out the top edges. It's just really subtle, but that just sort of peaks that shadow from underneath. Alright, then I'm just going to go in with Flower Power, which is just this beautiful shade right in the middle. And we're going to place that in the inner corner. Just bringing that down. This is just stunning. Wow. Okay, and then I'm just going to pop this highlight in the brow bone area. Let's do eyeliner. Let's go in with Spicy, which is just this beautiful purpley sort of a shade right there. I love doing this. All right, I'm just going to quickly do the other eye. I'm also going to apply some false lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, just wanted to deepen up the lower lash line a little bit, just to balance out the eyes completely. So now I'm just going to go in with some light mascara. I'm actually just going to use the Nykaa Supersizer Volumizing Mascara just to sort of blend in my lashes with the falsies and also just coat the lower lashes. I tend to do this afterwards because to me, like, that just makes sense to sort of blend in the lashes together. Alright, so now we're just going to go in with lips. I think I want to go in with something obviously quite simple with the lips. So I'm going to go in with, I've used this so much. This is like one of my go-to lip liners. This is the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in Big Proposal. Alright, and then for the lipstick, I got this when I placed the order as well. This is called This Is Me. It is so pretty. It is literally my everyday nude sort of a shade. I absolutely love this. It's stunning. I haven't used this yet, but like the shade is just... Alright, let's get this on. It's so creamy. Alright, and then to finish it off, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. This is in the shade Silk. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. I had so much fun filming, and quite honestly, like everything that I tried today, I absolutely loved. Be it the foundation, the highlight, the bronzer, even the eyeshadow palette, I absolutely loved using that. That was just incredible. Even like the Lifter Gloss, this is a new shade that I tried and it's just like so good, so good. I think today was an absolute hit. I absolutely loved using all of these products and I can definitely see them being in my daily rotation. If you guys were curious about any of these products, I hope you guys took something away from this video. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this video today. I cannot even stress that enough. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will have another... Ooh, I just ordered the Charlotte Tilbury new foundation, so that will be coming up very, very soon. So if you're interested, definitely hit that like button. But I hope you guys are staying well and staying safe. Please take care, wear a mask, be responsible, social distance yourself as well. But until next time, you guys, take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!